Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily make a custom vibration on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first what we need to do is we need to go over to settings. So it's almost at the bottom. Now here we need to go to vibration and now select a custom vibration. Here we can basically select what we want to, and here we can customize our vibration, so make our own one. Not necessarily, but you know what I mean. Here you guys can basically change it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.